Hi, I'm Doug Betts. Welcome to my new YouTube channel, Live Windows Training. This is where I help people with fixing problems on their computers or teaching them how to do something that they previously did not know how to do. This is part of the work that I do for my local clients where I charge hourly for it. Here on YouTube, I'm going to make those services available for almost free. You can go to the website LiveWindowsTraining.com to find out what I mean by almost free. It's very, very inexpensive. Basically, it's just enough to make sure that I don't get trolls, the YouTube trolls, that people that just cause problems on YouTube channels. So what I'm going to do today, I don't have anybody requesting a session with me because this is a brand new channel on YouTube. So I'm going to just show how to do Windows snapping with Windows 10. Windows snapping is a feature that began with Windows 7, but it's improved in Windows 10. And I think a lot of people that are using computers probably don't know how to use it. So I'm just going to show how that works. I'm going to switch you over to this other computer here. So here I have several windows open, and this is kind of a common thing that happens is you have lots of different programs open. And let's suppose I've got this one maximized, doing work in this Excel spreadsheet, and maybe I want to do some things on this spreadsheet that's related to content that I have in an email or on a web page, and I'd like to see both of them on the screen at the same time. Well, without this feature that I'm about to show you, you would have to push and shove the windows around so that you could see both of them at the same time. What we're going to do is do this window snapping feature, and it's going to involve the Windows key, which is to the left of the space bar right here where my left thumb is. It's a couple keys to the left of the space bar on this keyboard. Sometimes it has the Windows 10 logo on it. In this case, it just has WIN. So I'm going to use the Windows key, and I'm going to use the right arrow key. We could be using the right arrow key or the left arrow key. I'm going to switch you back to that computer now. And with this one window active, it happens to be maximized right now. That's not important. It's active because it's the window that I'm working in right now. I'm holding down the Windows key and pressing the right arrow key. That makes that window pop over to the right half of the screen. Now I'm still holding the Windows key down just for demonstration purposes. When I let go of the Windows key in 3, 2, 1, now, all the other programs that I have open right now will show in this kind of a thumbnail view. And I can click on any one of these programs. I'm going to take this internet site here so that I can now refer to information on this website and type that into the Excel spreadsheet. Or in this case, I could, for instance, just come over here and double click on this word and then press Control-C on my keyboard, then come over to the Excel spreadsheet and press Control-V, and that pastes that word into that cell. Then I could click perhaps on this other cell, come back to the website and double click on that number so it's highlighted, press Control-C, then come back to the spreadsheet, click in that cell, and then Control-V to paste the number there. Now this, where I pasted the word, it's kind of a gray color, so I right-click on that cell, come down to Format Cells, and I can change the font color so it's visible. I'll just change the color right here to Automatic. That should make it black. So that's a pretty convenient way to be able to copy and paste from one program that you have on your screen to another. There's a couple other things about how Windows snapping works, but I think that's the most common way that would be useful to people. So I'm not going to go into those others right now. If you're curious about those other features or other things that can be done with that snapping technique, then why not sign up for a support session? As when you go to that website, you'll find that it is very, very inexpensive, and I think it'll be enjoyable to do. So I hope to hear from you. Again, my name is Doug Betts, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks. Bye.